Alright, here's my entry into the Avnet Dog Days of Summer contest. It is a solar CNC Woodburner. We've got a PIC16F886 and a L293D motor driver on a little breakout board, and some hobby motors and some gears on a little miniature 2-axis CNC made out of a little bit of acrylic. All handmade parts. But the cool thing is when it's put under this large Fresnel lens, which is like a big magnifying glass, you can burn wood with just a little bit of code and some patience. Here's a video of it in action. There it is, Avnet.